Naturally TC coming at you with this lock retwist, but I think I'm really more or less showing you the cut that I do. Barbering is not my favorite thing to do, but it's something, like I say before in some other videos, that there's like God just blessed me to be able to do multiple things on hair. So sometimes I'll get a client that needs a cut, and my little dude right here needed that cut, so I was up for it this day. So I'm gonna cut him up, retwist his dreads, and we actually have to go in and like clean up his dreads a lot and give him a new look, make him feel like a real man out here. Yeah, so go ahead and watch this video. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. It's your girl, Naturally TC. Thank you all for following.